6:47 and time to get a check that forecast with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith. Carson, any more rain this morning that we're tracking? Because boy, there was a lot yesterday.
There sure was, Megan, but fortunately, pretty much all of the rain is done. On the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, all I'm tracking are just some very light sprinkles in Jackson and Marshall counties. These will be out of our coverage area in the next hour or so. If you are not in Jackson, Marshall, or DeKalb counties, your rain chances are in fact completely done for the day. But my goodness, did we see a ton of rain yesterday afternoon and last night. These are estimates from our 3 radar sites in the Shoals, Decatur, and Guntersville. You notice many spots across North Alabama saw widespread amounts of 3, even 4 inches of rain, a couple of spots. And if you were watching us yesterday morning, we were talking about our southern counties seeing the most rain out of this event. And sure enough, areas near the Coleman-Blount County line saw closer to 5 and 6 inches of rain. All of that in just the last 24 hours. And unfortunately, we've got a lot more on the way in the next 7 days. This morning, though, we are quieting down. You see those clouds are moving out pretty quickly on the Way 31 Skycam network. Look at those temperatures. 58 in Huntsville, 58 in Decatur, 61 in Guntersville. Those are your close to high temperatures for the day. As that cold front moves through, those temperatures will drop all day long. In fact, by 9 a.m., we'll already be down to 50 degrees. We'll stay in the 40s throughout the afternoon, and that's despite plenty of sunshine later on today. And also factor in a very stout breeze now coming out of the north and northwest, reinforcing that colder air. At least for the first half of the day, we'll have those gusts around 20-25 miles per hour. That'll give us a wind chill in the low 40s, maybe even the upper 30s before the day is out. Here's future radar. By noon, we've got mostly sunny skies, but it's getting chilly and getting chilly quick. By 7 o'clock this evening, bundle up. Temperatures down into the mid-30s for any Wednesday night plans you might have. You see some clouds filter back in tomorrow morning, but it'll still be cold. Temperatures in the upper 20s when you wake up on Thursday. We'll keep that mix of sun and clouds throughout the day tomorrow, staying completely dry. High temperatures yet again in that low 50s range. Fortunately, this is a quick cold spell. We'll start to warm things back into the 60s on Friday, staying in the 60s this weekend, but those rain chances will make a comeback. It's all thanks to a stalled frontal boundary. It's going to stall out somewhere nearby. Where it stalls out, that remains to be seen. But that will keep our rain chances in the forecast starting Friday night, staying with us through the weekend, and maybe through early next week. And all those off-again, on-again showers are going to add up, especially in our Tennessee counties, where we could see 2 to 3 inches of rain over the next 7 days. Many of our Alabama counties picking up another 1 to 2 inches of rain on top of all the rain we saw last night. Might have some issues with those creeks and rivers flooding by next week. We'll keep a close eye on that. Until then, we got a couple of dry and cool days with highs in the 50s today and tomorrow. And then those highs are back in the 60s this weekend with overnight lows in the 50s. Megan?